y'all, today we're making homemade cornbread. I'm preheating my oven to 450. A half a stick of butter is going in the oven to melt. I'm going to pour that melted butter back into the batter and mix it up. And I'm going to let this bake for about 20 minutes. Okay, y'all, I am making fried potatoes for supper. Right now I'm fixing to get some cooking oil. Just kind of, I don't know, hopefully that's not too much. And I'm going to turn this burner on probably just a little over medium. And I already have my potatoes chopped and diced. And I'm about to season them up. I'm going to show y'all some more stuff I'm making, but let's get this out of the way a little. Try to get it in here. I'm going to go ahead and take some salt. Some pepper. Some onion powder. And some garlic powder. And I'm just going to kind of toss all that around. Put some more salt in here. That is heating up right now. You're going to see I have a lot of stuff going on. I'm going to show y'all something else in just a minute. I am going to make something that my mom and dad used to make. It was a regular in our house. I don't know if anyone has ever heard of mackerel cakes. What I'm going to do, first of all, is take these 2 cans of mackerel. I'm going to open these up and drain them, and then I have to clean out the bones and stuff. So, do that part while I'm waiting on this to go. Quickly strain this in my sink. It looks like that. Doesn't look appetizing, but I tell you, they are good. And I do not have an exact recipe. I even tried to look and find a recipe, and there were some out there, but none of them were quite like what I remember my mom and my dad making. I will warn you, strong smell from that. Quickly, I'm going to come over here, try to set up my camera here so you can see me. I'm going to get these potatoes in. Hopefully I won't. These are going to be like home style fried potatoes. They're not healthy by any means because I used vegetable oil, sorry, I can't speak. I'm going to kind of let this kind of start to fry, and I'll come back to that in just a little bit. Now, I'll take you back over here. It's my first time doing one of these videos, so let me show you. This is a nasty job, okay? Inside of these are little bones. I just take a spoon and just kind of, let me angle this down some more if I can. can see me. Okay. I'm gonna kind of get that out of there. I don't know what you call this, but whatever it is, I always take that out too. I just remember my mom doing it. I don't know why. I guess you're not supposed to eat it. Oops. And I also kind of will scrape off the skin. So I don't want that in there. And then I'm gonna have a bowl over here that I will put once it's prepared or whatever. This is mackerel cakes. You've had these before. And you can see on the back side, see? That's, I don't know what it is. Get back, Adrian.
Is that a fish?
Yes, you're dirty. My son's been outside. Mackerel cake. Remember? It's been a while since he's had mackerel cakes, so he doesn't remember what they are. Me and my daughter made mackerel cakes a few weeks back, but my husband and the boys were not here at the time. So, she loved them. Let's hope that they do. It's been many years since I've made these. My husband is German. He grew up Mennonite. Anyways, and he is not used to this type of food, so hopefully he will like it. Some of the English food, as he calls it, he doesn't like. Not all English food, but some of the stuff that is really country that my family made, he's not 100% into it. Like sweet potatoes, his family, I've made them for them with the marshmallows and stuff, you know, the southern sweet potatoes. And they love it, and he finally loves it, but at first it took him some getting used to because he just could not understand how you would put like sugar and you would put marshmallows on sweet potatoes. So yeah, this is kind of a messy job. It does smell funny. Does it smell funny, Adrian? Kind of like tuna fish. It's a fishy smell. So there we go again. He was thinking of a funnel cake. That's what he thought we was having. Yeah, this is totally different than a funnel cake. So, okay, now we're back. I've got all that meat. I've got all of that meat. My kids are in here. Shh. I have them over here crushing up some crackers. I have it's saltine crackers, one whole sleeve, and then probably half of a second sleeve of crackers. And we're just crushing them up. Now I'm taking this mackerel, I'm just kind of breaking it into smaller pieces. We still have the potatoes cooking. They're doing good. Adrian's been over there helping me with those, watching them. I'm going to, almost got these all broken up into smaller pieces.
You gotta have your crackers into very little crumbs.
Here. But as you can see, I'm just kind of breaking this up into fine little pieces. And this is something that my mom and dad would make. Like I said, we would have this probably at least once every week or two. They would make beans, pinto beans and cornbread, fried potatoes, mackerel cakes, and then a lot of times they would fry cabbage, which when I was a kid I did not like. And I've never actually made cabbage myself, so we never make that. Not that I don't like cabbage, but anyways, now I'm going to take this little thing I have here. I got this a while back, I believe, at Aldi's. And I'm going to use it real quickly. Some onion. I'm just going to put in here. That should be enough onion. You can put more onion if you want, but I think that'll be enough for us tonight. You gotta be careful, you're gonna get burnt. There's a little bit of onion up here that I'm gonna get out of this. And I'm gonna start out with 1 egg. I'm probably gonna need 2. But because my mom she's passed away, so I cannot call her up and get the recipe. So I'm just doing it on my own of what I remember. Yep, I think 2 eggs will be good. 2 eggs. Let me quickly go check on my potatoes just a Now, like I said, we have all these cracker crumbs that we're fixing to add, and I'm just going to kind of add, I don't know, start out with a little bit at a time, and we'll add more as we need. Also, I don't know, just pepper. I'm just kind of guessing. Salt. Garlic. I know I put onion in there, but I'm going to add a little more. I'm going to throw a little bit of milk in there. Give it a little bit more moisture. Actually, I think I need 1 more egg. Courtney, will you get me 1 more egg? Because it needs something to kind of help hold it together. They're getting too dry. Now I need to get in there with my hands. That way I can feel. I'm going to throw a little seasoning salt in there. Whoa. I have my daughter's over here being my little helper. And my son's over here too. She's helping me kind of keep it, because I can't touch my phone. As a lot of you have probably heard, I use my phone to record. So I finally got a tripod at Walmart.
How do we get that in there?
All right. I'm going to got this electric skillet heating up to about medium high. I think it's probably warm enough. And we're going to stick these in here.
There we go.
My husband should be home soon and he's hungry. Went to pick up our son from band camp. My other kids are helping set the table. They're being such helpers. They are hungry too. They're ready to eat. These are really easy to cook.
We'll be grilling this one.
Here's those potatoes. Okay, we finished the mackerel cakes. I'm going to take these over to the table and I'm going to show y'all. I also made pinto beans in the crock pot, which you'll see here. There's the fried potatoes and the cornbread that we made earlier. Now we're going to sit down and enjoy. Thank y'all so much for watching.